No one cares what you think unless they think that you care. You know, Peter Parker's Uncle Ben, you know who Peter Parker is, Uncle Ben offered a lesson for all leaders. With great power comes great responsibility. Leading people is not about wielding authority. Leading is a profound responsibility to engage people, to empower them, and to activate them, to help them to shape their work and achieve their best, to reach their highest potential. So, do you want to show that you take your responsibility as a leader seriously? There's 3 things I want you to remember all the time. The first is you need to wake up, right? You have to be conscious in order to use that responsibility well. You have to be here now. So when people are in your office, when you're at a meeting, be there. Put down the phone. If you're like me, you're kind of addicted to your phone and you might reach for it and you don't even know that you're reaching for it. So you need to wake up, you need to be conscious and be present. So put the phone over there and whoever you're talking with, whatever you're doing, be in that right now. That's the first thing. The second thing, in order to really lead, and these are the table stakes of leadership, right? If you can't do these things, you're not ready to lead. So the first one is wake up. The second thing is to connect with people. Right? Gallup did a study and showed that engaged employees who feel connected to their manager, their team, and their company's mission and purpose exhibit a 59% lower turnover rate. So not only is connecting with other people just the right thing to do, it's good business sense because you lower the turnover rate on your team. The third thing, if you're conscious, if you're connected, you're going to care more about people. And caring is the third piece of really leading other people. PwC said in a study that they did, 78% of employees believe that leaders who show genuine concern for their well-being improve their job satisfaction. Say that again, 78% believe that when leaders show genuine concern, that when they feel like you really care about them, it improves their job satisfaction. And that one's big. I need to trust, if I'm on your team, I need to trust that you are as concerned for my success as you are for your own success. If you want me to engage and to cooperate and collaborate with you, I need to trust that you care about me. And that happens when we have a genuine connection and when we're conscious, right? So wake up, connect, demonstrate that you care. Remember, leadership is not a position. It's a way of being that includes a commitment to being awake, to being conscious, to being connected with other people, and to be genuinely concerned for other people. So as you reflect on your leadership journey, I want you to ask yourself, how can these principles, being awake, being connected, being concerned, become the guiding force in your approach to leading others?